If you borrow money from a bank, these guys charge an interest. And more often than not, they charge compound interest. What does that mean? Let's look at this example. I borrow 16,000 rupees from the bank. And bank says, I'll charge a rate of 5% per annum for 2 years. And hello, they're talking about compound interest. So how much of interest do I need to pay them after 2 years? Initially, the principal is 16,000. Rate is 5% per annum. So what happens in the first year? I hope you know your simple interest formula. So for the first year, let's calculate the simple interest. 16,000 into 5 by 100 into 1 year, you get 800 rupees. So after the first year, the interest is 800 rupees. Now in the case of compound interest, what happens is this interest gets added to the principal. So in this case, 800 gets added to 16,000 and you get 16,800. And this amount is taken as the principal for the second year. So now we move to the second year. Principal is 16,800. Rate of interest is 5%. So what is the interest for the second year? 16,800 into 5 by 100, which is 840. So what was the total interest that I would have to pay for 2 years? 800 plus 840, which is 1,640. So this is the total interest, the compound interest that I will have to pay the bank. So what is the total amount that I'll have to pay after 2 years? Remember, the principal was 16,000 and the interest 1,640. Add the two and you get 17,640 is the amount I'll have to pay. So I paid an interest of 1,640. You know something? Had it been simple interest instead of compound interest, I would have had to pay lesser. How? What would have been the total interest in that case? Simple interest formula, 16,000 into the rate of interest 5 by 100 into 2 years. That gives you 1,600 rupees. So I would have had to pay only 1,600 and not 1,640, which I paid in the case of compound interest. So I end up paying 40 rupees extra.